The book of 2 Chronicles is a continuation of 1 Chronicles, both part of the Old Testament in the Christian Bible and the Hebrew Bible. Its narrative centers on the reigns of the kings of Judah, with a particular focus on those who faithfully follow God, especially King Solomon, King Asa, King Jehoshaphat, King Hezekiah, and King Josiah. The opening chapters, 1-9, detail the reign of Solomon. This includes his divine gift of wisdom, his wealth, and the building and dedication of the temple in Jerusalem, which is the fulfillment of David's plans in 1 Chronicles. The magnificence of the temple, the wealth and wisdom of Solomon, and the splendor of his reign are highlighted. However, Solomon's later years are marked by idolatry, leading to the division of the kingdom after his death. Unlike 1 Kings, 2 Chronicles does not provide a detailed account of the northern kingdom of Israel, instead focusing on the southern kingdom of Judah. The middle part of the book, chapters 10-28, covers the reigns of the kings who follow Solomon. This is a period of spiritual decline for Judah, with a few bright spots. Kings such as Asa and Jehoshaphat seek God and bring about periods of revival and reform. However, many of their successors lead the nation into idolatry and away from God, resulting in divine judgment in the form of foreign invasions and conflicts. The later chapters, 29-36, cover the reigns of Hezekiah and Josiah, who initiate significant religious reforms and a return to worship of God. Hezekiah, for example, cleanses the temple and celebrates the Passover, leading a religious revival. Josiah, upon discovering the Book of the Law, initiates a great reformation in Judah. The book concludes with the Babylonian invasion led by Nebuchadnezzar, the destruction of the temple, and the exile of the people of Judah. The final verses note the decree of Cyrus the Great of Persia, allowing the exiled Jews to return to their homeland and rebuild the temple, providing a hopeful ending. Overall, 2 Chronicles presents a theological perspective on the history of Judah, emphasizing the consequences of faithfulness and disobedience to God. The book underlines the importance of correct worship, the temple, and following the law. The chronicler's intention is to teach the post-exilic community the lessons from their past and encourage them to hope and work for a better future under God's guidance.